rolls on, I appreciate how precious life is. And I've lost all interest in drama, conflict, stress. Just need good friends, a cozy home, food in the fridge. I used to sit and ponder about the bad, couldn't see the good. Never stopped to smell a rose. Looking back, I wished I would. Sprawled out in a field, nose filled with aroma, instead of sitting here in a coma. Life's a trip and you're the poet. It's only as good as you wrote it. Next chapter's up to you. Don't know about you, but I won't blow it. Not this time, nope. And as my life rolls on, I appreciate how precious life is. And I've lost all interest in drama, conflict, or stressing. Just need good friends, a cozy home, food in the fridge. Don't know about you, but I won't blow it. Now, not this time. My rough draft is gold. Peace and laughter fill my nose. And at the top of this chapter, it's labeled hope. It's labeled hope. And I've lost all interest in drama, conflict, or stress. Just need good friends, a cozy home, and food in the fridge. My babies both grow so fast, my time with them ain't gonna last forever. So I soak it up drop by drop. I fill my cup with daddy years. Ain't trying to waste it, nor fill the cup with wasted years, like I did my last 30 years. Good vibes only, drink up, cheers. And I have no interest in your shit talking drama. No interest in the conflict that you started. Don't have no interest in the stress you're trying to pass on. Homie, you can save it, and if you can't, then it's so long. Cause I've been doing this too long. Living life so wrong. And as my life rolls on, I appreciate how precious life is. And I've lost all interest in drama, conflict, or stressing. I just need good friends, a cozy home, food in the fridge, and to see the faces of my smiling kids. Cause as life